Hello, students. How are you? I'm also good here. So, students, I have learned so many tricks when I have grown up from my teachers. Some tricks I have made myself to learn English and grammar rules. And of course, some tricks I have learned from my colleagues. And one such is Mrs. Badana. Hello, Mrs. Badana. Okay, so let's start today's class. What I'm going to teach today. So here is the video for you. What you are going to learn today. Good morning, students. Today we will do the next type of noun, that is concrete and abstract nouns. So what are concrete nouns? The nouns that we can experience with our senses, that is by touching, seeing, hearing, tasting or smelling with your five senses. Okay, and any of your five senses. It's not compulsory that you have to use all the five senses for one thing. Okay, if two senses you will use two senses, then it will also do. Like this chalk, you can touch this chalk and see this chalk, then only you will touch. Okay, so this is what concrete noun. You can't hear it or smell it. Okay, it's not having any fragrance. Like the flowers, you can smell the flowers, you can touch them, you can see them. Okay, like this mango, you can taste it, you can smell it also, though it will have only light fragrance. And definitely whatever you can touch, you can see them. Okay, whatever things you can touch. So these are the concrete nouns for which you use your senses. Okay, your sense organs. Like you use your skin to touch, eyes to see, ears to hear, listen, tongue to taste and nose to smell. So the things which you can experience using these will be concrete noun. Okay. And then you must have thought, ma'am, what will be the ideas and thoughts and feelings? Are they concrete or abstract? Yes, they are abstract. Nouns that can only be thought or felt. Like idea. You can think of an idea. You can feel hunger. You can't touch your hunger. Okay, you can touch your plate of food, but you can't touch your hunger. You can touch your stomach. Okay, but not hunger. Love. Okay, information. Happiness. Kindness. Okay, state of being, your mental state. So these are abstract nouns. Okay. So students, this is papaya. Okay. Now, is it concrete or abstract? So five criterias are there by which you can check. Can you see it? Yes, you can see it. Can you touch it? Of course, if you can see it, then you can touch it. And the third one is, you can eat it also. So you will taste it. So what will be it? It will be concrete noun. Okay. Same for the bananas. You can see, touch and taste them. Okay, Your friend, can you touch your friend? Of course you can touch your friend, you can see your friend. But can you see the friendship? The friendship you have with your friend? No, you can't see it. You can only feel that friendship. The love for your parents, for your siblings, you can feel them. So these feelings are abstract nouns. Okay. So what is your today's homework? You will observe whatever things are there near you, and then you will say, okay, this is concrete noun. Like if you find a notebook, so you can touch the notebook, you can see, you can, so this will be a concrete noun. Okay, if any one or two criterias are met, then it will be concrete. Okay, and if more, then also it will be concrete. Yes, the noun will be concrete. And if it's about feeling or the state, the mental state of a person, okay, like happiness, sadness, okay, so then it will be abstract noun. So the more you observe and more you ask yourself, okay, what things are these, then you will easily understand these topics. Okay, goodbye, stay safe.